Welcome! In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to use Pushpay to set up and manage church donations efficiently. We'll cover creating donation campaigns, setting up online giving options, managing recurring donations, tracking contributions, and generating reports so your church can streamline its giving process. Whether you're a church administrator, finance manager, or ministry leader, this guide will help you use Pushpay confidently to improve donor engagement and simplify donation management. Aids to modernize how they receive tithes, offerings, and donations, while maintaining a spirit of connection and generosity. The ability to offer secure, flexible, and user-friendly donation options is now a key part of ministry operations. Whether it's enabling giving through smartphones, recurring contributions, or integrating financial tools with existing church management systems, having a comprehensive giving platform is essential. That's where Pushpay stands out. Designed specifically for faith-based organizations, Pushpay helps churches streamline giving, enhance member engagement, and reduce administrative workloads. With an intuitive interface, mobile-first technology, and powerful integrations, it's trusted by thousands of churches across the globe. In this video, we'll walk through the key features and benefits of Pushpay and explore why it's one of the best solutions for managing church donations and community engagement. So for its key features and benefits, first is the customizable online giving. Pushpay offers mobile-optimized, branded giving forms that can be embedded into your church website or shared through direct links. These forms support multiple fund designations, one-time or recurring donations, and even allow for custom campaigns. This simplifies the giving process and makes it more engaging by aligning with your church's branding, helping members feel confident and connected while giving. Another key feature is the recurring giving options. Pushpay makes it simple for donors to schedule recurring gifts, weekly, monthly, or on a custom basis, ensuring consistent financial support for the church's mission. Donors can manage and adjust their contributions anytime through their account. This encourages long-term giving habits and increases financial stability, allowing churches to better plan and allocate resources. Another key feature is the mobile giving app. With the Pushpay mobile app, donors can give in just seconds, manage their giving history, set up recurring donations, and receive personalized messages from the church. The app is designed for ease of use and optimized for both iOS and Android devices. This offers a convenient, user-friendly giving experience that fits into the lives of today's mobile-first congregants. Another key feature is the real-time dashboard and analytics. Church administrators gain access to an in-depth dashboard showing donation trends, donor activity, and engagement data. This empowers leadership to understand patterns, identify opportunities, and respond to giving behaviors. This facilitates strategic financial planning by turning donor activity into actionable insights and fostering a culture of stewardship. Another key feature is the text-to-give and QR code giving. Pushpay allows giving via text message and scannable QR codes, making it easy to give during live services, events, or on printed materials. These methods are secure and customizable. This enables spontaneous and frictionless giving, perfect for live services, fundraisers, or outreach programs where ease and speed matter most. So why is Pushpay a great choice? Pushpay isn't just a giving solution. It's a complete engagement platform built with ministry in mind. Every feature is designed to remove barriers to generosity, foster deeper relationship with donors, and empower churches to serve with their communities more effectively. Whether your church is large or small, traditional or contemporary, Pushpay provides scalable tools that adapt to your needs. What makes Pushpay especially powerful is its emphasis on both innovation and ministry partnership. Churches aren't just clients, they're collaborators. Pushpay offers resources, support, and educational tools to help church leaders maximize their digital giving strategy. As more congregations seek to grow both online and in person, Pushpay helps bridge the gap between technology and spiritual connection. Pushpay also stands out for its reliability and focus on security. With PCI-compliant payment processing, secure data encryption, and fraud prevention tools, churches can confidently receive and manage donations without technical concerns. Plus, their onboarding and customer support teams provide personalized assistance to help churches get the most from their platform. So basically, in 2025, a thriving ministry depends not only on strong faith and community, but also on tools that make connection, generosity, and communication seamless. Pushpay offers churches a powerful, user-friendly solution for online giving, recurring donations, member engagement, and financial transparency. It simplifies operations, supports deeper relationships, and encourages consistent giving through multiple accessible channels. Whether you're transitioning from traditional giving methods or seeking a more robust digital platform, Pushpay gives your church everything it needs to grow, connect, and thrive in today's hybrid world. It's more than software, it's a ministry partner that helps your church amplify its mission and serve your congregation. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Pushpay to manage church donations, improve giving experiences, and simplify financial tracking. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials on nonprofit, church management, and fundraising software. If you have any questions or would like a deeper walkthrough of specific features, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.